Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave in the comments down below how your day is going. Mine's doing, I don't know. I picked this up from my post office box and look at my package. But before I begin, I do want to remind you guys that I do have a few giveaways going on right now. I will leave it right here. And I also want to thank you guys. Last night, my husband did a video. He did the Ipsy versus Ipsy. It was the husband takeover video. And I want to thank you guys so much for all your kind words. It really put a smile on his face. So I just can't express how, warm my heart is. You know, I love you guys. I really do. So thank you. And if you haven't already, I'll leave it down below. Check out that video. And I'll also leave down below, about a year ago, he did my makeup on a live stream. I'll leave that down below. But he said, if we can get that video to 10,000 views, he will redo my makeup. So share that video and get it out so we can get 10,000 views. All right, without further ado, if you want to see what is in this Fashionsta box. I didn't even tell you what it was. This is the Fashionsta box. This is the August 2019. So keep on watching. All right. A little bit about this box. So this is a new subscription. This is only about a couple months old. It is called Fashionsta, not Fashionista. They also have a website which you can get, you can order a lot of things. I have a code. I believe it is just Anne. I'll leave everything down below, which saves you 20% off if you use that discount code. Also, for the box, it is called The Box. I do have a link that I will put down below as well if you want to check it out. For right now, you will get on the wait list. But this is $19.99. You don't pay for shipping, and last month was my first month, and I loved it. And I do pay for this subscription. Now, it came a little late because there was a blush in there. I think it's called the Locos blush that was actually expired. So when they shipped it out, they did not know that the blushes were expired. So they were able to get as many as they could to get off the truck before it got shipped out, but some had already passed through. So if you did get that expired blush, you were supposed to, they're going to ship you out another one, or I don't know if it's something else, but I know they're going to take care of you guys. So mine was one of the ones that they were able to get off of the truck, and then they put whatever's in here, I don't know, and they shipped it back out. But this was stuck. I live in New Jersey, and they are based in California, and it got to Texas, and it was there for almost like a week, and I'm like, what's going on? So yesterday was Sunday, and it finally said it was shipping to the next destination. This morning said it was out for delivery. And when my husband picked this up from the post office box, this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm like, it says received in damaged condition. So I don't know what stop that it said, but it did not come from Fashionsta. See, there I go. Somewhere in shipping, this is what happened. And yeah, so let's see what's open. It's funny because I did not cut this tape. This was already cut. You guys can see here. So I don't know if they peeked inside to see like if anything was broke or what. I have no idea, but let's open up this puppy together and see what the damage is. All right, so I am definitely excited. Last month I was like, I mean, this box is so good for $19.99. I was like, Boxy and Ipsy, like it's gonna be a battle. Watch out. So, all right, so this is what it looked like. So it looks like they put this on something, you know, heavy on it, and it just like put a hole through the whole box. That's why it was taped. I mean, yeah, look, it's straight through, you can see. So I'm a little nervous. All right, so let's try to get this thing. All right, so this says Fashionsta. It says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. I don't know about this month. You have scored between $100 and $150 worth of products you will love and enjoy. Okay, okay, so this month, the retail value is $160. Now, a lot of people get different things. You won't always get the same variation. So what I might get, you may not get. So let's just open her up and see. All right, the first thing, which is pens. So this is a mini beauty blender, which I love these for concealers. Actually, I used one today. I love it. It's like the perfect size for that. So I am so excited. So this would be, because everything's all messed up. Let's see if I can read it. All right, so this would be $16. This is called a beauty blusher, but I definitely, like I said, use it for concealer. All right, or I use it for, like, if it's dry, I put a little like translucent powder and I put it right underneath here as well, and then I brush it off. All right, the next thing we got is from Salt. This is Cocoa Lips Hydrating Lip Tint in the shade Ruby. So, where you be? Where you be? All right, so this retail value is for $24. Oh my God, this right here pays for the box. Okay, so the glass isn't broken. And let's open her up and see. All right, so this would be the shade. So that's just like a lip balm. So that's pretty cool. It's like a little tinted lip balm. All right, I'm definitely excited to try this. All right, I'm gonna keep going. The next thing is a Soothe Operator. What is this? It's a very hydrating face and a body mist. Okay, let's read up on this. So this is valued at $18. I don't think I can read because everything's all messed up. I can't really read anything on here. So let's just open her up and see. What you be? Very hydrating. So it's a face and body mist. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool the way that is. I was thinking it was going to be like a... All right. Oh, that smells so good. Has aloe, kakadu plum, and desert lime. I definitely smell the lime. This smells amazing. I am definitely excited to try that. The next thing we got, these are what I'm scared of. So this is a Sigma brush or powder. And I just got one. Oh, this is a different shade. This is Pet Name. I got a Sigma Beauty mystery box and I got a blush in there. Spoiler alert, but it's definitely a different color. So let's see. All right, I love the packaging. Oh, let me tell you how much this is. So this would be $19. Please don't. Oh, it's not broken. What? That is really pretty. It's like a very light peach shade. Let's see. It's very light. It's like a pinkish peach, like extreme. I don't even know if you can see that, it's so light, but that's all right. Yeah, it's like more pinkish. All right, so I'm definitely excited to get this. So we got Sigma in here, and guys, this is only $19.99. I mean, I'm telling you, these subscriptions better be scared. All right, so then we have from Galactic. This is a matte lip paint, and I do love the formula, and this is a really pretty shade. So this is $23. Wow. It's like almost the color that I have on my lips now. This is definitely my shade. Oh, that's pretty. What shade is this? I might already have this. This is in the shade Sweet. I'm not going to open this because I'm not sure if I already have this. I'll look through. If I already have it, then I'll put it in a giveaway. But I do definitely like the formula. All right, a couple more things. We have two more things. The next thing is from Atelier. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is an eye primer. And guys, I love this. I got this last month and they did reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to get this again because they had so many and they wanted to try to make variations that a lot of people got almost about the same variation. And I was like, yes, because this is really good. This is kind of like my Urban Decay primer. And this is $32. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I want somebody to try this out. It is really amazing. All right, and last but not least, I am very scared to open this. This is the Real Her 2 Do Your Squats. I definitely need to do some squats. How much are you? This is $28. We've got Real Her before in like our FabFitFun and stuff. I mean, it's okay. It's not bad. Where's my cutter? It's not that bad, you know. I'm glad that I got it in the subscription box. I wouldn't pay what they said the retail prices for this, but I do like it. So let's see. I don't think I have this one too. Let's see what color it is. Oh, guys, are you guys ready to see if it's broke? No, nothing here was broke. This is really pretty. This is like a fall. It comes with a mirror, but that's more like fall, right? This is really pretty. So let's do some swatches. All right, so we have Driven, Limitless, and Invincible, the top three. So let's see. Oh, they feel really nice. Okay. So that is right there. This one is like almost my skin tone. That's really nice. Okay, let me wipe my thing. I feel like there's like, every time we get these squigglies, right? It like goes in my nose. I hate that feeling. Then we have Bodilicious, I don't know, I can't see. Dazzling and Indomitable. All right, so I'll do the middle row. Yeah, these definitely feel buttery. This is nice. I mean, this formula, this is better than what that I remember with this formula. I don't know if they changed it up or what, but this is a really good formula. I probably would pay the full price for that. Okay, and then we have the last three. So yeah, this is definitely like a fall palette. I gotta get better with my swatches. But yeah, I do like it, and I definitely will use this. Probably, like I said, in the fall. But yeah, I really liked everything, and I can't believe nothing was broken. I am amazed nothing was broken. So let's recap what we got in the August 2019 Fashionsta box. So we have the Real Her palette. This is the 2. We have a Galactic lipstick, which is, I really like the formula. We have a beauty blender. I mean, it's the mini one, but hey, I mean, I'm not knocking that. What is that, like $15 it said? We have a spray, and you guys know, like my favorite, I say, is the Slay All Day setting spray. If you use the code JUSTANN in all caps, you get 30% off of everything on the site, even with Rich Lux's collab, or you can buy these separate, these two right here. You guys can see I've been using them. I really like them. And then we got the Real Her eyeshadow primer. And we got a Sigma blush. I love it. I love everything. There's not one thing in here I'm like, I really do like everything. And this, I mean, I'm telling you, the formula is really good. Really good. So yeah, that's everything that we got. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? What do you think of this box? Do you think other subscriptions should be scared for only $19.99 and shipping is free? I think so. And I said this before, I love the fact that they have a waiting list. I love it because they're not overwhelming, you know, themselves with putting too many people and then they can't fulfill what they're saying. So I like that. I do know that there were only 450 slots available on August 1st, and they had over 20,000 people try to sign up. I mean, it's crazy. So make sure that you guys watch your email when the wait list does open. And as soon as, if I hear something, I'll let you guys know as well. So use my link and get on that wait list so that you can get emailed as soon as they open, because they're only going to be limited spots. And I'm telling you, I pay for this subscription. So I'm not like, you know, being dramatic. I really, really like this box. I'm excited for next month. I really am. And that's everything, guys. So yeah, let me know down below, what do you think of it? And I also want to show you too, I got a couple things from this brand that I never heard of. It's called Mercy Handy. And this is so cool that I wanted to send this to you. I mean, not send it to you. I wanted to show this to you. This is called Slime, okay? It is the Unicorn Edition. But let me tell you what it is. I'm like, why are they sending me slime? I don't have any kids. It is a shower jelly. Well, let me show you. Let me make sure I wipe my hands off good. Now, I used this a few times and I didn't use it all up because if it's in my shower, I would forget to tell you guys. So I wanted to take it out. I used it about 3 or 4 times. Do you see that, guys? First of all, it's gorgeous. And it looks like slime. And when you go in, guys, look, it feels just like slime. I'm not kidding. But what it is body gel. And you just put a little bit of water on there and it suds up and you just wash your whole body. And oh my God, it smells amazing. I think this is so cool. Like, if you have a kid, you know, it's a little gimmicky, I'm not gonna lie, for like an adult, but if you have a kid, like a girl, even a teenager, or if somebody loves slime, I mean, this is a great idea. I mean, I'm serious. Or even adults. Some adults like the slime, you like the feeling. But it actually works. So I wanted to tell you guys about this. I'll leave the link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. I think it's amazing. And then they also sent me 6, what do you call it? What the heck are these called? I forget. Hand sanitizers, but they're like, they smell so good. I've been using them. So this is in Hello Sunshine. This is in Unicorn Edition. This is Namates right there. This is Magic Fruits. This is Flower Power. And then we have Cross the Line. And they smell so good. And I love this size because you could just put it in your pocketbook, right? You know what I mean? And I am addicted to hand sanitizers. Like, I keep them all around, you know, especially when you're swatching things and all that, you know. Love it. But I want to share that with you, what they sent me. I think this is so cool. Let me know what you think of that. Do you think it's cool? Do you think it's gimmicky? Let me know. But yeah, that's everything, guys. Don't forget to rate this video. So thumbs it up or thumbs it down. But make sure you rate the video. Don't forget to enter those few giveaways that I do have. And I have a few coming up. So make sure that you subscribe so you can get on it. And put that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all my future videos and my giveaways. And share that video with my husband when he took over my channel, because if we get to 10,000 views, he gave me his word, he will do my makeup again, and I can't wait for it. So make sure that you share. All right, guys, I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.